too.
Alright, I'll be there in a little bit.
Alright.
Alright, peace out.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. We are currently on the way to an OBC or Orlando Beamer Club meet right now. I haven't been to a car meet in a long time, so I've been dying to get out, dying to show people my car first of all, and then obviously with these new headlights I want to show everybody. But I haven't seen some of these homies for a long time, so it should be a good turnout, and I'll catch up with you guys then.
Alright, so like I said before, my headlights have been on for a week. I'm so stoked, so thankful that I have them on. They look so good. Everybody loved them. I fucking love them. But yeah, I can't wait to show everybody these new headlights. They're not perfect, they were used, so I think this weekend I'm gonna do a little DIY again and polish them, wet sand them and polish them to get some of the little scratches out. But for now, I think they look amazing, and that's that. Sick ass fool with the bike and the GTI.
I just like the sound of it.
We got Jesse's E92. Ooh, sounds so good. This car is super rare for an E92 M3. It's a one of two, so obviously that means it's super rare. I'll definitely show you guys that when we're there. We're about to pull up. So he has a supercharger and some other things done. Obviously, it sounds so good. Sheesh. Alright, we just pulled up and check it out. This is my homie Mark. On my F30, I probably did half of the mods at his house with him. He's a diesel mechanic and he knows his shit. So, and he just got the M Sport conversion on his 335. Beautiful. He went to the same paint guy that did my F30 front bumper, side skirts, and rear bumper and diffuser. It's got some ESR wheels on there. Looks too clean, bro. Sheesh. No cap, this is one of the best sounding N55s I've ever heard. It's straight piped, and he's running JB4 stacked with MHD, and he also has meth or a meth kit on it, and it sounds fire, and it's fast. Moving along, we got F22 Little B's E90 M3. You guys saw this in the previous vlog at Euro Customs PR. Super clean. I think he's bagging it or something soon. Next up we have Jesse's E92 that was in front of me on the way here. And like I said before, this color scheme from the factory, there's only two ever that were made, so it's super rare. He's a supercharger and some crazy ass headers on this car. Sounds insane. I think he won the exhaust competition at BMW Invasion. He has an active auto work exhaust, as you can see here. And he just showed me he has like a meth kit in his trunk. He's gonna get that installed. Freaking crazy. Oh, you already know the vibes. Sheesh. Did a little quick detail. Tire cleaning before I came here. She's looking good. Looking mint. Got F30 gang. Can't forget where you came from, of course. This is recommended on IG. He's one of the cleanest F80s in Orlando. Just bought some new wheels, avant-garde. And he got the black line tail lights. Badass.
Exactly. somebody else.
So yeah, my car.
AMG, bro. We got another E92. We got the 5.0, baddest BMW here. We got Ray M4. You guys have seen his car before. I know this dude from IG. This is the homie, the day one homie, Steve's 128. Super clean. This man has money put into his car. Hella money. Next up we got B-Last E92 M3. So clean. Speaking of the devil, what up, baby? One of the cleanest. This man's all the way from Cali. One of the good homies I've met here in Orlando. What up, baby? Yo, I just did a walk around of your car, bro.
These are reflectors.
N55.
Yes.
That boy had an M Sport kit now. M Sport kit.
It's just the fucking reflectors, really. No.
Oh, wait, what's wrong with
We'll buy the OEM ones.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
They don't. That one didn't set right, but that one did.
No, it's wild.
Yep, it is me.
The homie.
Yo.
Legend. Sheesh. Everybody, you've seen Ray in the vlogs. Always with the M4.
Alright, looking good, man.
This is the Drift Lord George. Crazy. Recommended. Yes, sir. You guys know DK from Tokyo Drift?
Chill.
You're looking at him, bro.
Chill.
You're looking at him.
No bump.
Homie Meat all day.
Yeah, we out here.
This is the homie Meat's car. This is the F30 with the muffler delete that I was talking about in my old video, my F30 review. This is the homie right here. Meat and Mark right there. We go way back. With my F30, we did probably 90% of the mods on my F30 at Mark's house. He's a diesel mechanic, so he showed us how to do a bunch of DIY stuff, car mods, stuff that we didn't need to pay shops for. But look at these boys upgrading. So clean. Can't forget your roots, boys. Can't forget your roots. F30 gang. Where us three used to hang out every other weekend and do car shit. Downpipes, aero, springs, you name it. This is where I learned how to do a lot of my DIYs at home and built up the confidence and the knowledge to do a bunch of car mods at home. Shout out Mark. Five? Yeah. It's the homie F82 Alpine. Boy, it sounds mean. Look at that wing. Yo, look at this F80 in yellow. I've never seen this color before. Brand new. That's wild. We got F80 Enzo up in the house. Can't see jack shit.
I know. Should have told me, bro. I would have taken my flashlight from work.
I know, right?
Great ass flashlight.
Alright, you guys can't see it, but we got F80 Enzo right here. Just got his car back. That's gonna wrap it up for today's meet. Alright, we just left the OBC meet. It was a good turnout. Saw a lot of homies that I haven't seen in a long time. But I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow or Sunday, whatever I'm doing next. Hey, what's going on? We're checking in with you from the next day. I just left the gym. Always rocking the BMW Invasion, you already know. I ended up not doing any more DIYs for the weekend, so I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry if I didn't record, you know, much of the car meet as much as I wanted to. I got caught up in talking to a lot of people and friends that I haven't seen in a long time, so next time I'll definitely capture more for you guys. But I want to thank you for watching. If you could do me a huge favor, drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Peace, peace, peace.